They are the unnoticed horde, the silent witnesses to the aftermath of violence. Insects, often perceived as nuisances, play a vital role in criminal investigations, acting as nature's tiny detectives. Forensic entomology, the study of insects in a legal context, provides crucial insights that can help solve even the most baffling cases. From the moment of death, insects are drawn to a body. They are attracted by the odors of decomposition, an olfactory invitation impossible for them to resist. Forensic entomologists are like interpreters of a secret language spoken by the insect world. The time of death, the presence of drugs, whether a body has been moved, these are just some of the pieces of the puzzle that insects can help put together. And sometimes the most valuable clues come from the smallest of creatures. One of the most crucial aspects of a death investigation is establishing the time of death. While traditional methods such as analyzing body temperature and rigor mortis have limitations, insects provide a remarkably accurate biological clock. Blowflies, those metallic green or blue flies often seen buzzing around refuse, are among the first responders to a corpse. They have an uncanny ability to detect the scent of death from miles away, arriving within minutes of death in some cases. Females lay their eggs, usually in wounds or natural orifices, and the development of their offspring provides a valuable timeline. By identifying the species present, their developmental stage, and comparing them to known life cycles, they can estimate the minimum time that has elapsed since death. This information, known as the post-mortem interval, PMI, is a vital piece of the forensic puzzle. The succession of insects colonizing a body over time, each attracted by different stages of decomposition, can refine the PMI estimate. The decomposition of a body is not a random process, but rather a predictable sequence of stages, each characterized by specific chemical changes and attracting a particular cast of insect characters. Blowflies, as mentioned earlier, are the early birds, arriving within minutes or hours. Their larvae, or maggots, are voracious feeders, rapidly consuming decomposing tissue. As the body progresses through bloat, decay, and dry remains stages, different players emerge. Hide beetles, with their distinctive clubbed antennae, arrive later, attracted to the drying tissues. Cheese skippers, tiny flies that jump by snapping their bodies, are drawn to the fermentation odors of advanced decay. Each insect species has a preferred habitat and diet within the decomposing ecosystem. By analyzing the diversity and abundance of insects present, forensic entomologists can glean valuable information. The annals of forensic science are replete with cases where insects have whispered secrets from the grave, leading to the resolution of crimes. One such case involved the discovery of a woman's body in a wooded area. The initial examination suggested she had been dead for several weeks, making it difficult to determine the time of death. However, forensic entomologists collected insect samples from the body and discovered the presence of a rare species of beetle typically found in a different geographical region. This crucial clue indicated that the body had been moved from its original location, a detail that proved pivotal in the investigation. In another case, insect evidence helped to exonerate a suspect wrongly accused of murder. The suspect claimed he had been out of town when the crime occurred, but his alibi was weak. Forensic entomologists analyzed the insects on the victim's body and determined that the time of death did not match the suspect's presence in the area, ultimately clearing his name. The field of forensic entomology represents a unique intersection of science and law enforcement. While detectives focus on gathering physical evidence, witness statements, and other clues, forensic entomologists bring their specialized knowledge of the insect world to bear on the case. This collaboration is crucial for maximizing the value of insect evidence. Forensic entomologists work closely with law enforcement agencies, providing training on insect collection and preservation techniques at crime scenes. They analyze the collected samples in their laboratories using microscopes, DNA analysis and other tools to identify species, determine developmental stages, and extract crucial information. Law enforcement officers may not always be aware of the potential value of insect evidence, and forensic entomologists may face time constraints or resource limitations. However, effective communication, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to justice are essential for overcoming these obstacles. When investigators and entomologists work together seamlessly, the results can be remarkable. The legal system demands rigorous standards of evidence, and rightly so. But can the testimony of insects, those silent witnesses, truly stand up in a court of law? The answer is a resounding yes. Forensic entomology, while perhaps unsettling to some, is grounded in sound scientific principles and has proven its reliability time and again. Insects are meticulous record keepers. Their life cycles are predictable, influenced by temperature, humidity, and other environmental factors. Forensic entomologists, through years of research and meticulous data collection, have established comprehensive databases and models that allow them to make accurate estimations about time of death, drug presence, and other crucial details. Unlike eyewitness accounts, which can be flawed by memory or perception, insects do not lie or have motives. They simply follow their biological imperatives, and their presence and behavior provide a factual account of the events that transpired. When presented professionally and transparently, insect evidence can be a powerful tool for juries and judges, providing compelling insights that can tip the scales of justice. The field of forensic entomology is not static, it is constantly evolving, incorporating new technologies and methodologies to enhance its accuracy and scope. One exciting area of development is the use of DNA analysis in insect identification. Traditionally, species identification relied on morphological features, which can be challenging in the case of damaged or immature specimens. DNA barcoding, however, provides a rapid and accurate method for identifying even the tiniest of insect fragments, expanding the range of samples that can be analyzed. Another promising avenue is the use of sensor technology to monitor insect activity in real time. Tiny sensors implanted in or near a body can track temperature, humidity, and even insect movement, providing a continuous stream of data that can be used to refine PMI estimates and detect even subtle changes in the environment. As technology continues to advance, the future of forensic entomology is bright, promising even more precise and insightful analyses that will undoubtedly revolutionize the way we solve crimes. The use of insects in forensic investigations, while scientifically fascinating, also raises ethical considerations that warrant careful attention. The primary concern revolves around respect for the deceased. Using insects to glean information from a body, while crucial for justice, should always be conducted with sensitivity and dignity. Forensic entomologists are trained to collect insect samples in a way that minimizes disturbance to the body and respects the integrity of the scene. They adhere to strict protocols regarding the handling and disposal of biological material, ensuring that all procedures are conducted ethically and with the utmost respect for the deceased and their families. By approaching forensic entomology with a strong ethical compass, we can harness the invaluable insights of the insect world while maintaining respect for the deceased, the environment, and the delicate balance of nature. In the tapestry of forensic science, insects have earned their place as nature's detectives, their silent testimony revealing secrets that would otherwise remain hidden. From determining the time of death to revealing if a body has been moved, insects provide a wealth of information that can help solve even the most perplexing crimes. Forensic entomology, once a niche field, has gained widespread recognition for its accuracy, reliability, and the unique perspective it brings to criminal investigations. As technology advances and our understanding of the insect world grows, the role of forensic entomology in the pursuit of justice will only continue to expand. So, the next time you encounter a fly buzzing around or a beetle scurrying beneath a log, remember that these creatures are more than meets the eye. They are nature's silent witnesses, waiting to tell their stories to those who know how to listen.